Get ready with me for Filipiniana Monday. So today ay Filipiniana Monday and of course, ang mga empleyado sa gobyerno ay obliged or mandated to wear Filipiniana. And this one, Modern Filipiniana, is the one I'm wearing today. Actually, I only have two. Yung isa ay champagne or apricot ang color. And then this skirt I ordered from Shopee. So, syempre, unahin muna natin ang skirt. Alright. Actually, nakapag-makeup na ako a while ago. I-share na lang. And then, ito, gusto ko lang i-showcase na order ko siya from TikTok. And ang mura lang niya. What makes me order it is it's black, of course, plain lang siya, and madali lang siyang i-partner sa kung ano-ano mga bottom or pang-ibaba na kasuotan. Meron siyang zipper dito sa gilid. Okay, susuot ko lang ha. Yan, guys. But first, let me comb my hair. Nandito nga pala ako sa sala. Dahil tulog pa ang mga bata. It's early in the morning. That's why tulog pa sila. By the way, I chose the color green kasi ang sabi sa internet, ang perfect pairing for green. Matagal ko ng skirt to actually. Last year pa. And I've worn it so many times because it's so flexible. Ang color ay madaling ibagay. Pero, according to the internet, ang bagay na color sa olive green ay black. That's why I ordered black. So look at that. Modern Filipiniana ang atake. Ayan. And this is only for less than 400 pesos. And baka soon mag-order pa ako ng another color para mas marami pa akong options. Because as of now, meron na akong dalawang Filipiniana. And nagsimula namin i-implement yung Filipiniana Monday nitong March lang. So, for the whole month of March, ang ginagamit ko lang talaga ay isa. Pinapalitan ko lang yung pang-ilalim. Okay, now let us accessorize. Let me get my accessories. Medyo maluwag lang siya dito sa may bandang dibdib. Siguro the next time na mag-order ako, magsa-size down ako. This one is large, by the way. Hindi tayo biniyayaan ng malaking dibdib. Kaya, ganyan. Ah, by the way, ito nga palang accessories ko ay in-order ko from an online shop. And since green ang ating skirt, to match our green skirt, I'm wearing green accessories. Para siyang dahon. Kailangan kong dahiin yung aking tao. So, the next time I order, I think I'll go for medium. Yan! Lakas makamadam. There. And, of course, let's not forget our shoes. Ito nga pala. I bought this sa Vista Mall sa Mendres and naka buy one take one sila. This one is around 750 pesos lang kasi 1,499 yung aking binayaran together with another pair of sandals. So this one is what I'm wearing for Filipiniana Monday. Thank you guys for watching.